Did you know that you can earn cash by simply sharing the Zalora link? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm gonna share to you guys the Community Influencer Program by Zalora. So this means you can earn cash by simply sharing the link to your followers, and once they click that link, you're gonna earn a commission. So I'm gonna teach you guys the step-by-step process on how to do that, and I divided it into 4 sections so that it will be clear. And yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, first is how to check how much you can earn. Okay, first is to open the Zalora website, and then on the upper right, click Community Influencer Program. And then scroll down a bit and then input your number of followers and your estimated post per month. So as you can see, for me, this is my number of following and my estimated post per month. And you can see here that I can earn up to 268 pesos per month if I will choose Zalora cashback, or I can earn up to 179 pesos per month if I will choose to earn in cash, since it has a 10% commission. So you have a choice between what you will choose, but later on, if you're gonna change your mind, you can immediately change it. Okay, second is how to apply the Zalora Community Influencer Program for free. Okay, so first is you must have a Zalora account, and then after that, same process as before. Just click on the upper right and click Community Influencer Program, and then click Join Us Today. And then after that, you will be asked to choose your reward type, if it is Zalora cashback or through cash. But for now, as an example, I chose the 10% commission in cash. Then you will have to create an account in impact.com, because this is where you will see reports or how many people who clicked your link. And of course, the most important is how much you've generated in that commission. Then once you've completed those information, click Get Started. And then after that, check your email, because you will receive your login details to impact.com. So once you've seen that email, click login and you will be redirected to impact.com. And once you're logged in, the first thing that we have to do is to set up your bank account. Okay, so how to set up the bank account? On the upper right, click the drop down arrow and click bank account. Okay, so as you can see, you have an option if you want a bank account or through PayPal. But if through PayPal, they have a 2% processing fee. But if you will process it through bank account, the processing fee is free. So of course, for me, I chose a bank account. But if you prefer PayPal, just input your email and then that's it. And then for the threshold, I chose 900 instead of the 2K plus. And once you're done, kindly recheck all the details to make sure it's correct and then click save. Okay, moving on to the most important part, and that is how to generate the link. Okay, there are 2 ways on how to do this. First is you can generate it through your laptop, and second is you can generate the link through your phone. Okay, so let's start with using your laptop. So on the Impact side, once you click create, there will be a link generated, and this is your referral link. Okay, so once you share this link, your friend will be redirected to the Zalora website. But if you want to share a specific product to your friend, all you have to do is to copy the product link and then paste that link under the enter a landing page and then click create. So once you've copied that link and then you can share it to your friend will be redirected to that product link. So that's it. That is how you generate a product link using laptop. Okay, second way is through your phone. So what I did is that I logged out to my account in Zalora and then I logged back in to refresh the app that I joined the Community Influencer Program. But for you, if it automatically detected that you guys joined already, then no need to log out to your account. So that's just me, or just in case it happens to you guys also. Okay, so going back on how to generate your link on the Zalora app through your phone. So on the lower right, click account and then click Community Influencer Program. Okay, so the first thing that you will see is to share your referral link. So similar to the laptop before, if you will share this to your friend will be redirected to the main Zalora page. Let's say you want to share a specific product, all you have to do is to select a product. Like for example, for me, I bought shoes in Zalora and I have an Instagram post for this one. So I usually add the link to where I bought the shoes. So that is how I do it. I just click the share button on the lower left and then I click copy, and then I go to my Instagram, and then I add to story that post, and then I'm gonna insert the link. So let's say when a follower of mine click that link, they will be redirected to Zalora, and I could earn commission if they bought the same shoes. So take note that you will earn commission if they purchase the product using your link. So let's say they only click the product, you will not earn anything from that. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and make sure that once they click the product, they have to purchase it within 7 days in order for that commission to be counted. Alright, so that is it, everyone. That is how you can earn by sharing your link. So if you have more questions, you may comment it down below, or you may check out the Learning Center in the Zalora app for the frequently asked questions. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye! Oh, by the way, expect a lot of vouchers and discounts this March because it's Zalora's birthday and it's Zalora's anniversary. So you should check it out. This is not sponsored, by the way, but just check it out. Bye!